Thank you for tuning in to watch another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Happy 2022, and yes, we have chassis. While others are out there telling you lead times from 6 to 8 months, we are cutting that in half because we have chassis available right now to help you get this business going. If you've been thinking about doing this business and you want to get into this space and learn, then pick up the phone, give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931, or visit ecowashindustries.com to learn more about our Kickstarter package, learn more about what's worked for us as we've been in this business for over 6 years now in the service side. And keep in mind, we're not a franchise, we're just a company who wants to really create more value for the client, provide you a logo design, website, custom wrap, in-person training, fly you out here, put you in a hotel, rent you a car, give you the Kickstarter package that's gonna really give you that jump start to get this business going. And I'm gonna be honest with you, at the end of the day, you're the boss. This isn't a franchise, you're the boss, this is your brand, your baby. You have to go out and make this work. We can teach you what's worked for us and what hasn't. And you still need to go out there and get the job done. So, we've gone out, we procured our own municipalities over the years, we've worked with trash companies over the years. If it's worked for us, we don't see why it shouldn't work for you if you go out and put that sweat equity into your business. So, this is the time. There's a lot of people looking to do this business. Get in front of it now. Give us a call, 480-789-0931. Visit ecowashindustries.com. Look forward to hearing from you. Once again, this is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.